Hi Robin, you're the expert for configurations. I've seen that you implemented new functions into the software.
Yeah, RiPanel is now online with its new functionalities. We can make the planning process of our customers now even more efficient.
We have also renewed the AX rail for interior installation, which means that the customer doesn't need to drill holes anymore for interior installation and therefore can save a tremendous amount of time. Can you briefly explain how to quickly select the new AX rail and other accessories for the AX using the RiPanel?
Yeah, the big advantage of RiPanel is you can plan the configuration directly in 3D. Price information and technical data results automatically. But it's the best if I show you this directly in the software.
Yes, with pleasure.
After you selected your AX enclosure, you will reach the accessory configuration. In the accessory configuration, you can select, for example, the system light. The new rail is placed directly with the system light, as you can see here in the 3D. It is the same for the door stay. Here also the new rail will be placed directly together with the door stay. You can do also a free placement of the rail in the grid after you selected the site. Of course, everything here is plausibility proofed.
That sounds great. That gives the customer a tool which he can use to simplify the entire planning process, which would interest me and also our customer. Does RiPanel have any more benefits?
Yeah, of course. At the end of the configuration, the customer has an overview of all the configured articles and the price information. You can see that here. After the configuration, you can check all the selected articles. You can also order directly the configuration in the online shop.
Cool, so thanks for showing it to us, Robin.
With pleasure.
So this really makes it easy for our customer to use the new AX rail with other accessories using RiPanel.